Hey, YouTube, what's up? That Black Super back on your motherfucking screen once again. I've been on some stuff, right? Been on some stuff. I ain't posted a video in a minute, right? But I got y'all. I'm trying to get back into the grind. Been working too much. You feel me? Work too much. Yeah, let's get into this video, right? Let's get into the screen. You see the title, you see the thumbnail. Y'all want to know how much I pay every month for the rarest LS4 ever created. My 2008 Buick LaCrosse Super. It's rare because they only made it for a short period of time, 2008 and 2009. Whereas the GXP and the SS and the Money, they made that from like 2006 to 2009, I believe. Don't quote me on it. Yeah, so yeah, if y'all know, I had the 2006 Impala SS, the base model, below the earth. Had cloth seats, dog. Then had a Bose system. Then had a sunroof. The only thing it had was remote start. That's the only thing. But that bitch over there got everything. Heated seats. It don't got a sunroof though. Heated seats. Monsoon sound system. Remote start. The backup sensors. That's really much it, bro. It's a regular car for that. But yeah. Oh, we got the Bilstein struts, the racing jump. You bend the corner, you won't move. And that SS, you bend the corner, you like, So yeah, so you know, gotta get it back. I'm getting off topic here. Chill. So I seen a car in my state, Philadelphia. In my city, I'm tripping, Philadelphia. For $59.95 or $59.99, and they had 128,000 miles. I'm like, man, the one paid $6 grand for a car that already got 128,000 miles. Guess what I did? I bought it. After everything, I believe it came up to 9,000 and some change. That paperwork's in the car, actually. It came up to like 9,000 and some change. I'm looking for the John where I bought it. And it came up to 9,000 and some change. Bad bull. Oh no. Oh, my fault. It came up to like 9,000 and some change, right? Hold on. Alright, my fault. I got distracted, but 9,000 and some change. I said the taxes and all that. Boom. He told me I needed 1,000 down and 240 for the tags and the tags and the title and all that stuff. Cool. Go up there. Boom. That's me. Go up there. Go up there. Give him the stack down. Boom. 240. Boom. Walked out that day. My car note is $225 and I believe 74 cents a month. I could look at that right now. And my insurance is $250 every month. So $475 basically. $475 for that car right there. I believe it's worth it. I don't think it's worth it. 9,000 after everything I owe $9 grand. Why does y'all not coming up? 9,000 though. I don't think that's bad. It's not bad though. For that? Got 130,000 miles. I seen one on the Facebook Marketplace. 5 bands. 190,000 miles. 190,000 miles. So, and I got mines for, I really got the car for like 6,000. It's just 6 or 7. It's just tags and title, dealership fees. They hit you with all the dumbass fees, yo. Cause I know like 2,000 and some change was nothing but taxes and stuff. You gotta pay city tax, state tax, car tax, title, registration, dumbass taxes. Like the taxes that kill you. Like that's what really kill you, the taxes. Hold on, let me log in real quick, and I'll show y'all. Hey, the car wasn't the problem. It's the tax that come with the car. Alright, so my car note is due the 16th of every month. I just paid it for November. As of right now, I owe $5,921.81 on my car. I don't think that's bad though. $5,900. The boy wanted $5,000. Then I seen one in Delaware, $10,000. Had 34,000 miles. 34. So $10,000 for that car. But mind you, the only thing it had was a sunroof. Mine's got the actual chrome rims, not the little alloy Jones. So hold on, you think I'm wrong with? I don't care about my VIN number. You can't do no care, but due date. Shit not gonna focus. 12/16/19, $225.79. $5,921.81 is due. So yeah, that's how much I pay for my rare supercar, super sport. But what did I pay for my other Impala? I paid $2,500 cash for that joint. $2,500 cash plus like another 200 or 300 for the tag, title, registration, and all that. Same day. So like $2,800 altogether. What did I do to that car though? New radiator. All the motor mounts, serpentine belt. That's really it. Muffler and res delete. New front bumper, new hood, new headlights, new tail lights. What else did I do to my car? That's really it. New tires. Changed the color of the headlights. They was white, turned them blue. I think that's really it though. Yeah, that's really it. New battery. My man's giving me the battery though, so that's really it. I think so. I think that's really it. I think it. Yeah, that's really it. I said motor mount, serpentine belt. I think I did it to the engine. Yeah. So yeah. I was only into that car probably. Oh, don't you count brakes. Brakes when I first got the car. Actually, the day after I got the car, I put brakes all the way around and back rotors. That's really it. Yeah, so that's how much I paid for my 2006 Impala SS, and this is how much I paid for my 2008 Buick LaCrosse Super. Yeah, so like, comment, subscribe. You feel me? Oh, you gotta support Famous Nobody. This is my guy. You gotta support, and I got the sweatpants to go with it. Like the sweats to go with it. You gotta support my guy. Like, comment, subscribe, share the video. More LS4 stuff on the way. Shout out to my guy T Baby T. 33 baby. That's you want to look him up on YouTube. Shout out to him. That's my guy. Be talking to him. A lot of stuff planned. Even though I live in Philly, he live I think in Detroit or Michigan. I think that's the same thing. I'm not sure. Don't quote me on it. Let's look that shit up. Hold up, cause I'm acting a little dumb. Like I just didn't graduate school. Yo, why can't I type? Yeah, Michigan. I don't know how that's gonna work out, but we gotta have some stuff planned. And the bowl sky's is limited. That's my guy too. Nice, thorough people. And we got LS4s. T-Baby got the Mountie. Sky's the limit got the Impala. You already know. Shh, don't tell anybody, but my car is faster than them. Stock for stock. No. Fuck that. They car is not stock. They car is tuned like a motherfucker. You gotta go watch the boy T-Baby video. He revving this shit out his car. I need that. Yeah, so I'm not racing them. They don't have no rev limiter. They ain't got the DOD joint no more. I'm cool. Not racing them until my joint get tuned. My joint getting tuned soon though. They link gonna be in the description below. Shout out to them. Shout out to T-Baby just hit 700 subs. That's dope. And I think his most viewed video got like, let's look it up. 20. I think it's 11K views. I think it's 11K. 11K. Oh, 12K. 12K views on his video of the Impala SS. 12K views. I love to see folks going up in the work. So shout out to them. Link will be in the description. Yeah, I'm out this joint. Like, comment, subscribe. That Black Super on Instagram. Even though my bitch not black, y'all want to see my baby? Come on. Like, I'll show you my baby. Look, my baby right here. Tripping. That's cool. Look, my room's actually chrome. It's just dirty. All that brake dust. Y'all already know. Black bow ties, just like my Impala. Look what I got. Buick symbol. Unicorn. Get the deets. You gotta get the details. Look at the rat. Look at the rat. Look at the orange flakes. We gotta get the deets. What'd that say? What'd that say? Come on. That Black Super. Come on. You can't even see that shit, but come on. You want a cold start? That's enough.